Why do people act the way they do? Why do people feel the way they do? There's a reason.
According to Peter Lucian, the silence is full of sound. Depression, anxiety, fatigue are triggered by the sonic details of our homes.
I guess you're Peter. I'm Ellen. I am always tired. Exhausted, actually.
Stick out your tongue. I can see things on your tongue that can help me.
Kitchen. E flat.
Weird, but kind of sexy. Is he single?
Are you serious?
Sound influences the way that people connect with each other. They may not even know it. Radiator is contributing to your anxiety.
Hey, Peter. God, this probably sounds so strange.
Your feelings continue.
Yes, my feelings continue.
Maybe I could come by next week.
So, did Peter tune your apartment?
Upper East Side. E flat toaster problem.
Like to think I have better qualities than that to describe me.
Hopefully you feel a little more comfortable with me by now.
Of course.
I'm just cautioning you not to make it too personal. We have to be careful.
You must be the house tuner.
Our clients are Fortune 500 creatures. I'm offering you an opportunity, Peter.
You can do so much with this. Urban design, architecture, home products.
We're big admirers of Peter here.
They pick everything apart.
You think my research is faulty?
I think all this is just too much. It's not for me.
It can be difficult to talk about a relationship problem.
What about you? How do you trust yourself?
There are all these connections. There's something deeper at work. Sounds that guide people through the city. I mean, they're not conscious of it, but it's there.
I called you.
I listen.